Hello students, have a fabulous day. Welcome to our online class from Blue Star Higher Secondary School for class 4th and subject English. Students, yesterday we have finished our classwork on the poem Wake Up. Today we are going to read the classworks on poem Wake Up. Students, while I am reading, you have to keep your finger in your classwork and repeat after me. I hope you have finished your classwork. So let's start. Wake up. Poem Mind Map. We are going to read the mind map about benefits of wake up. Benefits of wake up. It increases positive energies. It increases our mental ability. We can finish our work within the time. Waking up early in the morning is good for our health. Let's turn to the next page. Let's see the second part. Beauty of nature. Beauty of nature. In this poem, the poet described about the beauty of nature. So here, beauty of nature. Bees buzzing in the garden. Birds chirping on the trees. Rising the sun. Breezy air. These are all the things we have to consider as a beauty of nature through this poem. Next, D words. First one, lovely, which means very beautiful. Buzzing, continuous humming sound. Wake, arise, hear, pursue. Let's move on the opposite words. Lovely, ugly, wake, sleep, lie, arise, hurry, delay. Let's turn to the next page. This is the third part about the importance of time. Wake up. The poet is asking the lazy children to get up and go out to play. The poet is asking the lazy children to get up and go out to play. He mentions the importance of time. It structures our daily activities. It here denotes time. Okay. Next, he asks the children to be punctual. Next one, D words for this part. Wake up, which means you know very well, get up. Sleepy head, a person who is tired and look as if he wants to sleep. Hurry, speedy. Fill up. The children should be very dash, active. The children should be very active. They have to be punctual. The children have to wake up early. The children have to wake up early. Let's turn to the next page. Fourth part, getting ready for the day. Mind map for that. The poet is asking the children to get ready for the day. The poet is asking the children to get ready for the day. All the creatures wake up early. The sound of the rooster is considered as a natural alarm. He says that enjoy the beauty of the nature in the morning. Next, D words for that one. For this part, D words: wash, clean, tiniest, smallest, chirp, sound of baby birds. Next, jumbled words. We have to arrange the letters to write the meaningful manner. Lovely, wake, birds, trees, bees. Next, answer the following questions. Who is the writer of the poem? Subtopic for this question: writer of the poem. The writer of the poem is C. Fletcher. Who are singing in the trees? Who are singing in the trees? Singing in the trees. The birds are singing in the trees. It's very simple. What kind of sound are bees making? What kind of sound are bees making? Bees are making buzzing sound. Bees are making buzzing sound. Next, write about the poem Wake Up. This is from Answer in Detail. You have two topics, two subtopics. First subtopic is beauty of nature. The poet is describing the beautiful day to sleepy children. He asked them to get up early and go out for a walk, to play, listen the pleasant sounds of birds chirping on trees and bees buzzing in the garden. Importance of time. He emphasized on the importance of time and punctuality. So the poet asked the children to get up early. Students, you have to read the question answer and 1 marks in this poem very well, and you have to be ready for the upcoming test. Thank you.